Hi, I'm Kev from Elite Driving School, and today we're going to talk about automatic driver lessons. So why should you learn to drive an automatic? Well, for many people they choose automatic because they're coming to the UK to live into the UK, and the country that they drove in previously was in an automatic vehicle, so the logical choice for them is to continue driving automatic. Some people nowadays have got no intentions of ever driving a manual car, so choose to go for automatic lessons, knowing that it's easier to learn to drive an automatic than it is in manual. Although you've still got the driving process to learn, you don't have the complications of a gear and a clutch to worry about. Nowadays, car manufacturers offer so many different choices when buying cars. So you've got 3 or 4 engine choices, and you've got 2 gear choices, so that either manual or automatic. So there isn't a problem nowadays with purchasing vehicles like they used to be 20-30 years ago, when automatics was a fairly new thing. So again, there's another good reason there for going for automatic. The future of vehicles is going electric, and I think we're 10 to 15 years away from all new cars sold in the UK being electric. An electric car traditionally will be an automatic vehicle. So again, in the future, all cars are going to be automatic, so they probably won't have the worry of manual gearboxes anymore. One of the problems that people are facing at the moment is finding driver lessons with automatic instructors, and one of the reasons it's so difficult is because probably in the UK there's only 10% of instructors actually teaching automatic. So it's difficult to find some in your local area, and lessons generally tend to be 10% more expensive than manual. And the reason for that is because people that are giving automatic lessons have probably got a greater area to cover. So in other words, you can get fewer people into the vehicle during the week than they would in manual. The majority of people learning to drive manual, it stands to reason that you don't have to go too far to get a good sort of diary full of clients. Whereas automatic, you're having to spread your wings a little bit further. So that's the reason why lessons are a little bit more expensive. Now, if you're struggling getting automatic lessons, I would suggest that you start putting your name down on waiting lists, and hopefully the instructor will ring you back when they've got some availability. One of the other recommendations I can give you is to go onto yell.com, so it's YELL.com. The reason why we use that service is because it targets local instructors as well as national instructors. If you go onto Google and type in automatic driving lessons, web designers use automatic driver lessons as one of the main key words when building sites. So it looks like every company has got an automatic fleet of cars, and that's probably not true. So with yell.com, it narrows that down, and it will make it easier for you to find instructors with automatic vehicles. We ourselves have automatic vehicles, so it's always well worth giving us a call. But if you have any questions, please email support@elite-driving-school.co.uk, and we will do our very, very best to answer you as quickly as possible. Thank you.